This Google Business Profile Management service has quietly become the cleanest semi-agency model you can start or rebuild around. Now, if you're thinking about starting a business online, maybe starting an agency, restarting one that stalled, or you're noticing it's harder than ever to land and keep clients, stay with me for a few minutes. I've got nothing to sell you here. I just want to show you the model that helped me earn $1 million in 9 months completely from scratch because it solves the exact problem most agencies run into. My name is AJ Joma, and I've been building online businesses since 2015. Now, in 2022, I launched what most people would call a normal agency: Facebook ads, reputation management, software, the whole thing. On paper, it looked good. In reality, it was a complete mess. Client acquisition was inconsistent, fulfillment was heavy, margins were thin, and the business owned my time. By the end of that year, guys, I was doing about $27,000 a month in recurring revenue and still struggling to pay myself. And that's when I realized something important. So, what I do is honestly boring. It's not flashy. It doesn't look cool on TikTok. It's not one of those hyped driven AI agencies. But this boring business made me $1 million in 9 months before I sold it. The real money is sat in the boring stuff, guys, the simple problems that businesses actually will pay for. I help local businesses turn their Google business profile, which is the only way they can appear on Google Maps, into their most powerful online asset and number one source of new customers for their business without needing to rank number one. Today, local businesses are confused and overwhelmed. They have so many options to choose from. Let's think about this, right? Websites, SEO, Facebook ads, social media content, Google ads, and don't forget the offline marketing stuff like billboards, signage, radio, TV. But one thing is constant: 98% of all their future customers will go online to find out more about that business and look at their reviews. And most businesses think their future customers are going to their website, but that's no longer the case. Website traffic is dying thanks to Google's effort called zero-click search. Now, this is where someone searches Google, never clicks away to a website or an external link. Basically, they stay and remain on Google the entire time. Today, 65% of all searches on Google stay on Google, 80% of it on mobile. Google even went as far as pushing website results, SEO results, to the bottom half of Google search. Now, here's the opportunity most agency builders miss. Most business owners treat their Google business profile like a digital yellow page listing. They set it up once, forget about it, and assume Google just handles it. Meanwhile, Google has completely changed how search works. So today, 80% of all search results for local services happens on Google Maps, and 91% of all searches on Google are now AI driven search results. The number one search source of those AI driven results is coming from Google Business Profile. So that means agencies that understand how to manage and optimize these profiles are sitting right at the point where money changes hands. Now, this is where a lot of agency owners get confused. So let me clarify something important. Google Business Profile Management is not the same as traditional local SEO. So local SEO focuses on things like website optimization, backlinks. They take a long time. The timeframes are longer. It works, but it's complex, slow, hard for clients to understand. Google Business Profile focuses on maps visibility, but not necessarily the top three spots. And profile optimization, activity, engagement, calls, directions, real world actions, guys. It's simpler, easier to explain, and clients feel the impact faster. Then there's reputation management. A lot of agencies try to focus on things like reviews, ratings, trust signals. But Google Business Profile Management sits at the center of everything. That's why it's a $75 billion industry today and projected to reach $157 billion by 2032. This isn't a trend. It's an infrastructure for local businesses. It's their number one most valuable online asset they can possibly own. And thanks to a revolutionary new AI GMB automation software, fulfillment has become dramatically easier than it used to be. What once required deep expertise and constant manual work can now be handled with systems, making this one of the cleanest agency models to run today. Instead of chasing clients, pitching complicated services, managing endless deliverables, you can build a business around one clear offer, one clear outcome, one platform businesses already trust. So if you want to discover and learn how to launch your own highly profitable, semi-automated AI GMB business, I know that sounds boring, I'm hosting a powerful workshop masterclass where I'll walk you through how this actually works as a real business model, how people are using Google Business Profile management to start or rebuild their agencies with recurring revenue, taking 10 minutes to fulfill with AI, GMB automation software, and getting clients on command, selling one to many without needing years of expertise, experience, a massive team, or marketing skills.